Can these expensive massage chairs really live up to the hype? I've been hearing the buzz about these costly spaceship-looking massage chairs for a couple of years now. I've been dying to find out if these chairs from $1,800 and some brands costing upwards to $5,000 and $10,000 are even worth it. I'll give my first impressions next. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Today, we plan to review the RealRelax Favor 6. There's been so much buzz about these kinds of chairs from my clients to even my in-laws and even the show Beef on Netflix about how excellent these chairs are. Did I say excellent? I sure did. So I've got some burning questions to answer in this video for you. Number one, is it worth it? Number two, the other important question is, could it live up to my professional standards? What I might have to say could be a total buzzkill to all of you chair lovers, so stay tuned. Full disclosure, I've personally been influenced to believe that these zero-G chairs is the best invention since sliced bread. So I wanted to do my own research and have extensively read blogs and reviews. I ultimately came to believe that the company RealRelax seemed to have the quality zero-gravity massage chairs for the best value without mortgaging my home. I reached out to see if they would be willing to sponsor this review video, and they did. If you like what you see today, there's a nice discount code they gave me to tack onto your order for the Favor 6. Use REVIVE280. I'll also add the links to the chair and code to the descriptions box below. So what is a zero gravity chair, or makes a chair zero gravity? The word is thrown around in marketing all the time and many just don't know what it means. Really, it should be called a gravity minimized massage chair, but that doesn't sound exciting, does it? So zero gravity means the chair can place your body in a position where the pressures are evenly dispersed from head to toe. When you're in this position, many have reported relief in neck and back pain, likely because pressures on the joints are reduced. Will it cure degenerative spine diseases? Probably not. But in my opinion, less pain means less inflammation, which then can directly help jumpstart your healing. Plus, because you are in a relaxed, low tension position, reports have shown it can benefit digestion, breathing, and even provide an optimal position for blood circulation. Think of finding that balancing point of a pencil evenly, and it can hang there effortlessly. So that is zero gravity. So let's begin to answer the first question. Is it worth it? Dr. Lin, how would you measure is it worth it? Is how I would rephrase this. My measure has to be somewhat objective. So most massages range from $60 to $120 an hour from my experience. Could my initial impressions for the Favor 6 replace, say, 30 massages a year? That might be tough. If the answer is yes, then the value is there and worth it. But because it has value, it undoubtedly leads me to the next follow-up question. Would the Favor 6 live up to my extensive manual therapy background and professional standards? Here are my early reservations and some preconceived thoughts before I put this thing together. These chairs occupy so much space. The Favor 6 measures 57.5 inches in length, 28 1/3 in width, and 42 inches in height. Another concern I have is, for the long term, will it be just used only a few times and then end up collecting dust? Or would I have to pay someone to lug it away and ultimately have its final resting place in a landfill? This happens to so many massage chairs of the past. So let's see how difficult it is to build this. I'm bad at reading instructions, but I intend to read the manual so I don't mess up this valuable machine. Whew. All things included, it took 12 minutes to unbox, and most of the work was getting rid of the cardboard. All I had to do was zip the chair down, tighten the screws on the control holder, and then plug it in. It was a whole lot easier than I thought, and because it came in one piece, I'm grateful RealRelax did it this way. If you are buying the Favor 6 on Amazon, no need to pay for the installation at all, unless you want someone to lug it upstairs. Oh, something to note for those want it now folks, the chair was delivered quickly in less than a week to our office doorstep. All right, so I've got this manual so I know what the heck I'm doing. And I'm just looking at some of the external structures. It looks like we've got the control panel with a lot of buttons. We'll show that in a minute. We've got a USB charging cable, Bluetooth. I'll have to have my phone plug in so I can listen to whatever music I want to listen to. We've got the pillow, the air cushions, an armrest. This is kind of neat little function. I've heard about this from folks that it does massage your forearms. So I'm really looking forward to this. I can tell you, I already feel the rollers against my calf and my foot against this chair. And it looks like the track is unique and maybe some of the other chairs as well, but it goes all the way down and scoops close to where my butt is. Now, let's talk about the remote control functions. So this seems like the on button, sounds about right. We got the manual override. Looks like there's 6 preset. You got relax, Chinese, Thai, recovery, strong, and sleep. I think I'm gonna try A4, recovery, so let's see what that's about. And then you can adjust some of the air pressures. Looks like you can just have that auto. If you want the width change as well, you can adjust that manually. You can have the massage rollers. I guess up means it's gonna go upwards is my guess. And then massage down probably means downwards. Now this multifunction thing, looks like this, we can play around with this. And then if we wanna tilt back, it looks like back up means going this way. Back down means going that way. And then the 0G function, I'm really excited to see if it really tilts me into that position. So yeah, let's give this a shot. I'm really excited. Let's see here. I think this is about as far back. I don't feel like I'm gonna tip over or anything. I feel like I'm on a solid base. And so this is good. Let's see here. I'm getting the neck massage up here, going pretty good, right to my scalp, and it's going. It's definitely like, it's now making its way down my pelvis, my lower back. Oh yeah, that's hitting some good spots. Right around my lower back, just working with patients all day. It feels great. So now this is making its way all the way underneath my tush. I always say if you're getting a massage and you're not getting that good butt massage there, then you're not getting your money's worth. So I'm getting my money's worth right now on this butt massage. I'm feeling a little bit of the heating mechanism. I think you could also turn on the heater as well. I'm getting the squeeze from the top. I'm getting that nice squeeze in my shoulder, like I'm getting this bear hug. It's so awesome. It's like, I actually sleep with a weighted blanket, so it's just this nice feeling of having that weight. All right, so I'm getting this nice squeeze again. It's doing this like vibrating thing. My forearms are getting this nice relaxation. It feels great. I think all of you guys, I think you might agree. I mean, it feels good. So here are my concluding thoughts. Yes, I'd pay for this cool looking RealRelax Favor 6. And my opinion as a therapist is, when can I make time to get myself back into this chair? I do only have one concern, which is how long this faux leather, or as Tesla calls it, vegan leather, will last. But for the value and function, I suppose if this is my only concern, it isn't too bad. I just have to learn how to take care of it. From my point of view, the value and the benefits are there in the Favor 6. It will definitely be a nice addition to my practice, knowing very well my patients will love it. Once again, if you wanted to pick up the Favor 6, use Revive280 in the promo code section. Well, that's my final thoughts on the RealRelax Favor 6. Let us know your thoughts on our review video today and leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.